Guys, this is gonna be my first Let's Play video. Oh, there's a wolf of Minecraft. Let's see if I have this difficulty on, cause on my other work I created that I accidentally erased before I started recording. I couldn't get anything. No mobs, no nothing. But now I do want mobs, cause here's the ducky, so pretty. I was saying before I got distracted by the dog, let's cut down this tree first. In this episode, we may make a house. This might be the longest episode, or not. I'll end it soon. This is my goal is to build a house and to keep that doggy not to run away. I'll probably make a tree house like I did with my old world that didn't record. Probably in that tree house. I just might break that tree. I have too much wood on it. Oh well. Sorry my voice is low. Can't talk loud right now. Whoa, what happened to that tree? Sorry, I don't speak that good English. I do, but I can't say tree or three. I can't take the difference from it. I might do a tutorial on this game. I know I left the doggy, but oh well. We might get another one. Grow. Okay, no, it's not gonna grow. Okay. We probably should start building and stop roaming around too much. I'll probably cut down this tree right here. If you break one with your hand, it won't disappear or nothing. I'm not new to this game. I played it since a long time ago. So that's why I'm playing so fast. So let's start building. I'm gonna be making Terraria videos, and so I already made one. It was fun. It's very short because the phone I'm using right now is mine, and it can't record that much. So let's start building. At the end of the world. I did. I never knew I went this far from where I spawned. Is there any more sheep around? There's me over there. I mean a pig. That gives you meat to eat, so you can get your health back up. But they haven't added hunger yet. So, and if they do add hunger, you need food to survive. Because if you don't eat, your hunger will go down, and you're gonna start getting hurt until you die. So that's why What did I make my... Wait, did I just make... I made them into bowls. Sorry, I'm not pronouncing words right. Let's try to do now some parkour. I just finished doing some parkour before I started this video. I can make a bunch of videos. Oh, my camera fell. I can make a bunch of videos, parkour video, whatever you want. You can suggest down in the comments. Let's chop down this tree with my hand, cause I should have made a pickaxe, but I didn't. I mean, an axe. I'm getting all the tools confused here. For now, diamond is the best tool in the game. So I'm gonna make 2 doors. My other one. Okay. What do I have a 3 doorway? There we go. Here. I'm gonna go real quick and make a furnace. Why did I put that down there? Okay, I need a pickaxe, first of all. Here we go. And I'm making an axe just in case. Pickaxe and an axe. Oh, I need. You're asking yourself why I'm using a bowl today. A bowl. Ugh, I can't say it. So let's make a furnace and burn some wood. I'm gonna make 1 torches. It's starting to get night. Googly monsters gonna start spawning. If you have to take difficulty off, mobs will not spawn. If you have it all or a little, there are. You can only have in certain levels, only all or nothing. So if you have it all, they spawn, and if you don't, they will not spawn. For now, let's turn it off real quick so I can get just 1 piece of wood and burn it. I don't know if I gather enough cobblestone. Let's see. Just by 2. But it's okay. I'll go down there again. I can't get through the door. No, I just placed something down. So let's get 2 more pieces. One, 2. There we go. Now that we're ready. Sorry for all this. Furnace. And let's put 1 piece. So we can make concrete and just make it into a torch real quickly. Or do I have enough for a stick? No, I don't. I probably shouldn't have wasted that and make a stick. But oh well. So quickly, mobs down here. Oh, now let's go real quick. Get this before they start spawning. I think I didn't turn it on. The difficulty. They're not spawning. Did I? No, I didn't. That's why. Okay. We got that. Now we make that. Now we have 4 torches. And 1 in the doorway. There. We light it up. And this is our first night. So I'll wait to get day so I can end the video. So in the next episode, I'm gonna probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe tomorrow I might come up with a plan. So, where's the moon? It's just starting. So, I'm gonna end the video here. So, in the next video, I'm gonna probably, like I said, I forgot. I don't know what I was gonna do. But, so, in the next video, I'm gonna do whatever I come up or what you suggest, so you like the videos more. So I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.